YouTube, on this one I'm going to show you how to change the buckle for your seat belt. If you notice this buckle right here, just got a couple strands holding it on. So you might run into the same problem if you have a similar buckle. So what you need is, you need a T50 torque bit. So it look like a star. And it's T50, T50. Then you need a ratchet. Alright. And this is the new one I'm gonna put on. I just went to a scrapyard and get this one. This was $20. Alright, here if you look, you have some washers on there. Just try to put everything back the same way it was. That's the washer right there, that gotta go back on there. You see, that's it. Take the old one off, put on your new one. Make sure you put it on properly, that way when you're sitting down, the part your purse is on the outside. Put on back your washer. You got this little rubber gasket. You don't really need it, but I just want to put it back on there. That's where that meet the gasket. And then you screw it back in. So you might have to push down on the seat in order to get the bolt to line up with it. Okay, this only have a little bit of play in it. Alright. So it's that simple, man. Now you got a new one back in business.